How are you? Welcome back to Wealthy Coin Scam will send Shib to $1 confirmed. Shib new Shib price prediction. Shiba Inu is on a collision course with a 200-day test in May, which is also when Shiba Inu starts its make or break test of steadfast 200. The ALMA market is tense. Yesterday's analysis focused on the important path that prices and the rising 200-day EMA were on and how they were going to meet. This is what was expected after the price of 1500 cents was turned down last week. In this video, we'll talk about the news that Shibuya will send Shib to $1, estimating the price of Shib. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. The important test of the 200-day EMA is happening right now. If this price goes up, it could help Shibarium drive Shib to new heights while the much-anticipated burn mechanism boosts bull confidence. This is the 9th day of a localized retracement, and prices are currently trading at 1,220 cents, right on top of the 200-day exponential moving average amount. That's a change of 2.17% from the day before, and bulls are still fighting for support around 1,250 cents. This test is important because attempts to consolidate at this level over the weekend found support from the rising 200 in May at 1,150 cents and 1,200 cents. The price is still above more obvious local support. Traders are waiting for a strong signal from the make or break test before moving the price. When you look at these signs, the signals are less clear. On February 14, the RC14 continues to show a bullish divergence at 38.5, while Shib keeps moving into oversold territory. Notably, the RC hasn't reached its peak since February 4, which is 9 days ago. This makes an interesting on-chain picture that shows how Shib off exchanges go back and forth. The amount of net transfers has been going down steadily all month. This comes after a big jump on January 9, when coins rushed to exchanges to sell as prices went up. Prices probably started going down in the last week of January, when they hit a wall at 1,500 cents. Most likely, this was long-term investors taking profits after a tough crypto winter. This suggests that the worst of the ongoing selling pressure has passed, so a bounce off the 200-day exponential moving average EMA could send prices skyrocketing up. The balance of exchanges backs up the idea the chain is going to go up. The on-exchange balances of Shib went down by 5.4% in February. This shows that supply is being gathered and taken off exchanges, likely in preparation for the launch in Shibuya this week. At first glance, the MACD shows a bearish divergence of 0.0. This isn't very important, and it shows the support test is tried to the 200-day EMA. At the moment, our upside potential is a safe 1,500 cents. If prices do bounce, the upside potential seems likely to go of this level. This is because there is less pressure on exchanges to sell and because of the sharp news about Shibarium. If this level breaks down, there isn't much of a chance that it will go lower than the previous support of 1,150 cents Shibs. The risk-reward ratio right now is 3.55, a very appealing entry with little risk to the downside. In yesterday's Shiba Inu price analysis, it was pointed out that the burn rate for Shiba Inu had jumped by 1,000% in just a few hours. Some analysts think that the market is about to make a big comeback, since deflationary pressure is only going to get worse as the burn rate goes up so much. With Shibuya probably coming out this week, things could be looking up soon. Shibarium will cause billions of extra Shib to be burned, making it harder to get and, in theory, raising prices. But one of the biggest investors in Ethereum has used the price drop to buy the dip. A whale stat said that an unknown Ethereum whale bought a huge 223.7 billion Shiba Inu, which is worth about $2.75 million. Surprisingly, the whale is only the 329th biggest holder. Shiba Inu is now the 8th most bought token out of the top 1,000 death whales. In the last day and a half, Blue Whale 73 is what the data provider calls the big investor. As of early February, the whale owned more than $45 million worth of cryptocurrencies, but he has since started sending his tokens to other addresses. It's like he did with Shib. Not long after I bought it, the Shiba Inu whale may use the drop to buy Shib at a good price, since Shibuya's launch is still getting a lot of attention. Bitcoin EST said that Shiba Inu's lead developer, Satoshi Kusama, had started a rumor that Shibuya might start a Valentine's Day, but he recently put an end to this rumor and said that he couldn't give a firm date for the launch. But Kusama hinted in a message on Telegram that the launch might happen before May of this year. Some people in the community kept speculating that the game would come out on Valentine's Day. Kusama winked at the rumors and said, "Maybe you're just joking, but it'll be out before May law." With this, the Shibuya team still doesn't have a solid release date, which has slowed the ship down. Expectations of the community, given all the talk about Shib lately, which is also reflected in its price. Right now, the price is still so high that it can have a huge effect on the share price. But the longer the hype lasts, the more likely it is that the launch will turn into a buy the rumor, sell the news situation. This could mean that the share price drops sharply on the day of the launch because speculators want to cash in their ship profits at a local high. At press time, the share price was 1,229 cents, and the 200 EMA in the 4-hour chart was providing support. On the upside, the resistance at 1,297 cents is very important. Elon Musk is still looking for a new CEO for Twitter, so he joked that a dog would be the new CEO. This caused the prices of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki to go up. At the time of press, the prices of all three meme coins had gone up a lot. Doge was up 6.1%, Shiba Inu was up 4.3%, and Floki was up 39%. Musk wrote that Twitter's new CEO is amazing and shared a picture of a Shiba Inu dog sitting behind the desk while wearing a black sweater that said CEO on it. On the desk is a contract from Twitter. A follow-up tweet shows the job title Chief Executive Officer, the name Floki, and a signature in the shape of a paw print. Musk also wrote "so much better than that other guy," which made Dogecoin creator Billy Marcus say, "I guess he was the only one crazy enough to take the job." Shibtoshi Nakamoto wrote something, and Musk wrote back with a wink. He is just what the job needs. Elon Musk sent 2 more tweets after these ones. The first picture shows a Shiba Inu dog with the balance sheets of its parents. Musk said, "He is very good with numbers." The second shows the CEO of Twitter dressed like Steve Jobs, and Musk says that he has style. The tweets come at a time when Elon Musk is getting more pressure from the mainstream media for his actions and outspoken views on free speech. Musk said in December of 2017 that he would step down as CEO of Twitter once he found someone who could keep the site going. Musk said at the time that Twitter was going to go bankrupt and that the new CEO would have a very hard job. But Musk recently said that the company is no longer in danger because it is on track to break even though ad sales have been going down. Musk's recent tweets could mean that he may have found a successor, but this is just a guess at this point. The billionaire could be using the Shiba Inu pictures as a fun way to wrap up the news before an official announcement is made. No one knows for sure if the job required a preference for Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or Floki. But it's important to note that Musk's tweets this time aren't just driving up the price of Dogecoin. They are also driving up the prices of Shiba Inu and Floki. Shib's price may have gone up because its lead developer, Satoshi Kusama, replied to Musk's